Welcome to Weldmaster India. This pipe in front of us doesn't have high requirements, we just need to weld it. But there's one problem. The gap is a bit wide. I still remember an old welder who once taught me a method. Even if it cost me money, I'd still say this method is extremely useful. I must share it with everyone. When you come across a wide gap like this, where the only requirement is just weld it, remember, it's only about getting it welded, nothing more. In this case, we can use a filler rod to continue the welding, and the job can be covered up easily. Of course, some people might ask, why not just tack weld it in spots? Tack welding can work, sure, but on a construction site, efficiency matters more. So here's what we do. Hold the electrode holder in your right hand, and in your left hand, get a spare rod left over from lunch. Take a deep breath, recall the feeling of TIG filler welding, and then we begin. For a 3.2mm electrode, set the current a bit higher, around 110 to 115 amps. The main rod swings left and right, while the filler rod is continuously fed in. Make sure the sides are fused properly, and the middle is filled solidly. That's what gives good form. See how fast this works. From here on, it's up to you to practice. Brothers, have you learned it? If you have, give it a double tap to show support to Weldmaster and give a like. And if you want to learn more about welding, then subscribe Weldmaster L. Thanks everyone.